You know what today is? It's present day. Hey everyone, Cristin here, and I just received my package from our sponsor for the Cuties. So this is for the June Cuties. Ooh, fun. So the June Cuties is our last one for the January through June CD that we received, the CD and booklet. It's our last one for that first 6 months. So make sure that you have pre-ordered your second set, the Cuties 2, in July through December. Make sure that you've ordered that from our sponsor because we're going to start that obviously in a month. All right. So this is for our June Cuties, our Cuties 2 for June. Oh boy, look at, there's buttons. How cute, probably to be on the ice cream cones, I'm assuming. How fun. These are really cute colors, so fun, like not just June colors, but ice cream colors, right? So this will be really fun. So make sure to order your kit, your fabric kit from my girlfriend's quilt shop if you haven't already. They are shipping now. I just received mine today. I'm actually going to start this project a little earlier than usual because I am going out of town the last 3 days of the month. The last 3 days of May I will be out of town, so I'm going to start it a little earlier. Jump in when you're ready, but make sure that you've got your June fabric kit. So you know what else they sent me? Look at this. Kimberbell Cuties Volume 2 Thread Kit for June. So remember, I mentioned this last month that this is a great way to start building up your fabric, your thread stash. So it's glide threads and colors that I don't have yet. How fun. This is a great way to build up your stash. So they send you 3 or 4 colors. I think we got 4 last month, either 3 or 4. I'm not absolutely sure. But that are specific to this fabric kit. So in this one, we have Azalea. Oh, Azalea. How fun. That's actually my granddaughter's middle name. My granddaughter Abigail, her middle name is Cristin, and then her second middle name is Azalea. So how fun is that? And look at how pretty it is. It's like the prettiest pink ever. I have to show you, I'll add a photo of our azaleas at our house. They're in full bloom right now. Beautiful pink azaleas. All right, and then this one is pink. Simple pink. I don't think I've ever seen this simple pink from Glide. This is a really pretty color. Very fun. It's so fun to get ones that you haven't used before. And then sand from Glide, sand. So it's like a yellowish gold. That is really pretty. I like that. All right, and then one more. What is this one? This one is light copper. Oh, that's a neat color. Sorry, I'll show you too. Light copper. Isn't that pretty? I like that. That is a really fun color. So colors that I haven't seen ever before. And so how fun that we have them in this little mini glide thread kit from our sponsor. My girlfriend's quilt shop is stocking these for us. And it's, like I said, it's a great way to build up your stash and have extra colors. And they go along with our fabric kit for June. So like I said, we're going to start this a little early. I'd like to start on Monday, which would mean that you'd see the first tutorial Tuesday. But of course, I'm also working on OSD and Red, White, and Bloom. So I will certainly start it earlier if at all possible. That is my definite plan. I usually do it the last week of the month, but like I said, I'm going to be out of town for 3 of those days, so I want to start it a little bit early. And if you're not ready, don't worry, the tutorials stay up as long as I can keep YouTube running, and I will keep it up for you, keep those tutorials up for you. So order from our sponsor, not just the June kit, but you're going to need that July through December CD booklet as well. That's the Cuties 2. And don't forget to use our affiliate link. I think it goes up there for my girlfriend's quilt shop. My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and it is our affiliate link specific to Cristin Creates. So make sure to use that. And then the new bundle of quilting is out. That is a direct purchase from Kimberbell, but if you use the link under this video, it will give a little kickback to our sponsor, to My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and show Kimberbell that you are sponsoring My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, that is sponsoring our project. So if you can definitely use that link, that is very helpful. And there isn't a discount code or anything, but I think it's on sale right now. If I recall, I checked it the other day and it was on sale. So that's the quilting bundle for Cuties 2, July through December, and it is up on the Kimberbell website right now. When you click on the link under this video from our sponsor, their affiliate link, it will take you to Kimberbell, and then you just type Cuties 2 into the search bar and you can easily find the quilting bundle. All right, so it will be time to get started. I will do a prep video just in case there's any small little tidbits of information that will be needed for this fabric kit for June. I also will include the under the video for the people that have trouble finding under the video. It's literally like I'll show you, you'll see on this next part of the video, but it's you're looking at Cristin Creates doing this video, and then you just scroll down under the video, or if it's on a phone, it's over on the right hand side. There's a little arrow, you click on that. Same thing with an iPad, there's a little secret way. They seem to change it a lot, so I'm not absolutely sure, but anyway, under the video, all of my videos, if you look underneath the video, there's all the links. There's a list of the thread colors I'm going to use, information on our upcoming projects that we're going to be working on, all the information underneath the video. So I will include that as well. It'll look a little funny because I created that video in December, I think, when we started this Cuties project. So it'll look a little outdated, but the information is just showing you how to find the information under the video. All right, so get pre-ordering your July through December CD and booklet for Cuties 2, and then your fabric kit from our sponsor, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. They've got them in stock and ready to ship now. And the thread bundle, don't forget the thread bundle, the cute little thread bundle from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. They are stocking these for us. They ran out last month, so hopefully they'll have plenty of them for us this time. Grab them quick though. And we're going to need a new goal for June for this Cuties. It's only about a week and a half that we work on this. So I want to hear what your goal is going to be. I don't know. It's ice cream. I feel like maybe we should eat ice cream. It's 88 degrees here today. Ice cream is sounding really good. I went for a bike ride this morning and one last night, and working hard at building up my strength. So maybe not ice cream, because whatever weight you gain, you have to carry up the hill when you're climbing hills on the bike. So I don't know. I'll have to think about what I want to do for my June Cuties goal. Tell me what your goal is. And my shirt today is a tank top because, like I said, it's 88 degrees. And this one is one of the cancer ones I made. I made a bunch of tank tops for working out at the gym while I was doing my cancer treatments. I would go to my cancer treatment and then directly go to the gym and try and build up some stamina and endorphins and all that you get from working out. So they all have little sayings on the back, and I'll share a photo of this one. It says hope. I don't recall. I think I got it on Etsy, but I will add a link with information. It's a great tank top. I think I got the tank top at Fred Meyer, my local Fred Meyer, but the design on the back, it's really cool. It fits like right in that little racer back in the back. It's pretty fun. So anyway, information underneath this video. So I'm opening a browser tab, and I'm going to go to Cristin Creates. You can just go to YouTube and type in Cristin Creates, and it will bring you to our channel. And then there's these playlists and videos, everything. So I'm going to open up our last video for the Merry Christmas Y'all pillow that we just finished. And I want to show you underneath the video. So whenever I say there's this information under the video, what I'm telling you is right here. It looks a little different on my end because I'm the owner of this. But right here is the video, and talking about showing you how to use Embrilliance. And then down below the video, it will say join the fun in our group projects, see more information, show more. Click on that and then look at all this information that is under every single video. I always share so much information. So when you're sending me messages saying, hey, what shirt are you wearing? Where can I find that? Or hey, how do I buy Embrilliance? Or who's our sponsor? What's our coupon code? All the information is always underneath the video. So the beginning of it talks about the current project that we're on, and then after that I always talk about coming up next. So right here, next up. So since we were finishing up Merry Christmas, y'all, next up was the Kimberbell Cuties, which now we're going to start on. And see all these links here. So if you click on the link, this is the one for the CD. And it doesn't work. Sorry, I will fix that. They just updated their website. Let's see if there we go. All right, so I just have to fix the CD link. Sorry about that. But anyway, so here is the January Volume 2 fabric kit that you can purchase. And underneath the video, it tells you, here's my dogs. Hello. Hi, babies. So underneath right here, our coupon code, this one is for the fabric bundle. So the bundle right here, this is the January through June kit that I was telling you about. That it's all the 6 months worth of kits that you get one each month delivered to you, and you have free shipping with this one. So that one, the coupon code is Cristin Cutie Kit, and that gets you 10% off of the fabric bundle. So Cristin Cutie Kit, you can see it right there. The one that was for just the 1 month for the January, it's right here. Or you can buy that month fabric kit. And that one, the code is KBCutie2. Since they changed their website, they can't have one code for all of our items anymore. They have to have one code for each item. So that's why it's different. There's one for the bundle kit, or there's one for the January fabric kit. And like I said, I will get the link fixed for the CD. So that's the information for our sponsor. Our sponsor is My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and they have, like I said, the 6-month bundle fabric kit or just the 1 month bundle. And that 1 month, the January, you do pay shipping on that. The big savings, like you get 10% off either of these, but you with each code that I just mentioned, but you'll get free shipping if you buy the bundle one. All right, so that's the information that's underneath the video. As you know, I use Embrilliance a lot. We just started using it this year. I think we started in like March. I'm not absolutely sure about that, but recently. And we're just jamming along with it and loving it. And so there is a link under here. I am an affiliate with Embrilliance Essentials, and so if you purchase it, if you're in the market for embroidery software, please use my link. It's under every single video right here. See right here, click to buy from Embrilliance. This is my affiliate link. And when you click on that link, it puts a little cookie on your computer saying that you're supporting Cristin Creates. And then you can see it right here. This is the one that we use all the time, Essentials. You can get it right there on the left sidebar, or you can go up to the store. Either one will take you to the Embrilliance Essentials. And you click Add to Cart, and you can purchase Embrilliance Essentials. And you've seen I do step by step on how to do everything with Embrilliance Essentials. And so if you're in the market for that, please click on my link. It's under every single video. And here's a link to our group, our fantastic group on Facebook. I love it. It's so wonderful, and the people are so amazing and helpful. And then there's always other supplies like the dry erase packets. So all these packets that I organize my fabrics in, there's a link to those right here. And these are affiliate links as well. I get a tiny little kickback from Amazon if you purchase from the links that I share. So these packets have been so helpful. I really like them. And there's also, see this bin to hold the dry erase packets. So my bin is like, oh my gosh, so old, like probably 20 years old, but I found one on Amazon that's the same size, and so that's what this bin, it's a clear bin so you can see your packets well, and it's the same size as mine. And then the glue sticks, invisible thread, because that's when we did our stitch in the ditch. Rotating cutting mat, I use that with my orange pop rollers right there. Very helpful. My favorite duckbill scissors and my favorite needles. So all the questions that I get asked all the time with all the messages, everything literally is underneath the video. So take a look there. When you're asking about shirts, see right here the Country Christmas on Pink hoodie, the shirt I'm wearing in this video, at the bottom. So at the very bottom of all of, so here's the video. And then underneath the video at the very bottom, I share information on all of my shirts because I get messages about them. So I always share that. And then how to support our channel if you decide to do that. So that's how to find all the information under the video. You literally just click see more, and see, it says here, click here to see links below the video, and then all those links are under there. So that's how to buy from our sponsor. Let me tell you one other thing is the quilting. So we're going to use the quilting bundle for these cuties, and there's a link also. So here we are, we're at the next up, Kimberbell Cuties. You can also find this under the videos that we've already done for the cuties. There was an announcement video and an unboxing video, and all the information is under there as well. So here's where, see right here, it says to order quilting designs for the tabletoppers, please use the affiliate link from our sponsor. And this is the one for My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. And all it does is it takes you to Kimberbell, but it puts a little cookie on your computer saying, oh, she's supporting My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop with this order. So you can see it takes us to Kimberbell just by clicking on that link. And then what I do is I usually just use the search bar. I find that the easiest, and you can type in whatever you're looking for. So I'm going to type in cutie and see if that works, and it does. So there, right there, the first thing that comes up is that bundle of quilting designs. That's what we will be using for our quilting on our month set here. So we're going to start with the January one. This one has all 6 months in it, and they're all geared exactly toward the triangles and the squares in the middle and the borders. It's everything that we're going to need for that. There's this one that can be a little bit confusing. It has all of those quilting designs, but it's the regular quilting designs. It's not the ones that are triangle. They're not the sized exactly that we need for our cuties. So this is a different one. Like if you see in here and you're like, oh my gosh, there is gnome quilting, I love that, then you can buy this one that has all the different sizes in the regular sizes, whereas this one is all those triangles. You can also buy each design separately, like that gnome. I have to get that gnome. It's so cute. All right, so that's how to buy with the affiliate link, where to find the quilting. You literally just type in the search bar cutie, and then it comes right up. I showed you how to buy the fabric kit and the CD. I'll get that CD link fixed. How to buy Embrilliance, the packets for the organizing. Those are at the bottom of every video as well. And they just make it so easy to organize our projects. The coupon code, like I showed you, is underneath the videos.